So, can you just continue avoiding using those words?
Well, what I do is I hit the little X. You know, I stop
When-
myself and hit the X.
When it tries to change it.
Right.
So, for example, what will you type?
So I would, if I, because I do a lot of yeah. And so then I see bitchin', so I hit the X. Yeah, that's good.
Gotcha. Is it yeah, Y-E-A or Y-E-A-H?
Y-E-A.
So you do that. So then that comes up bitchin'.
Bitchin' with the X.
Okay, so then you just exit out.
Yeah.
Okay, so you trumpet.
Yep.
But that's a whole extra step that's annoying.
Oh, it is. So keyboard.
Uh-huh. So what did you find out?
I'm just.
What's that? What's that face?
Oh. Oh, hack is becoming a whole new meaning now.
Why?
Well, top 12 iPhone hacks. It's a whole different meaning. Doesn't
Yeah.
mean what means tricks or something.
Yeah. What does she want?
I guess she wants to go up front now.
Don't. Are you gonna really? You're gonna tell? You enable her.
Well, first you